To jumpsuit or not to jumpsuit? This is a question for the Thrifted Look for Less challenge. I'm Shannon, and this is the Thrifty Fashionista. Hi ladies, and welcome to this month's Thrifted Look for Less challenge. This challenge is all about finding an inspirational look, be it on Pinterest, in a magazine, on a mannequin, on somebody's fashion video, and then trying to recreate that look for a whole lot less. So if you're looking for creative fashion inspiration at a thrifty price, then you're going to want to see this video. And maybe subscribe to this channel. Just saying. The hostess for this challenge is the beautiful Barbara Jean from Age is Just a Number by Barbara Jean. She is a personal stylist and an inspiration for fashion and beauty. I will be certain to link her channel down below. You're going to want to check it out. Our co-hostess for this month's challenge is Debbie from Debutawn. She has an incredible hand when it comes to beauty and makeup, and she has a lot of fun with fashion. So if you're looking for another delightful channel that will make you smile, then you're going to want to check out her channel. Again, you will find the link to her channel in the information box below. And since this is a challenge, you are going to find a playlist in the description box below of many beautiful women who have taken part in this month's Thrifted Look for Less challenge. You're going to want to check that out after you watch this video. In fact, if you could please stay around until the end of this video, because I have a very important question that I need to ask you. So last month, I got some inspiration for my challenge from a website that was just a little far-fetched in its pricing. I'll make certain to link that video up here for you. So this month, I decided to stay just a little closer to home when looking for some inspiration. And when I say closer to home, I mean on the mannequin, in the store, in a local mall. I found this gorgeous white jumpsuit with bits of gold accent and details in the local mall. It was on the mannequin in the storefront for Susie Shear. I've always loved white and gold together. It looks very rich to me. Very, can I say Michael Kors-esque? There's just something so beautiful about this. Its simplicity, its elegance. Le Chateau and Susie Shear have joined together here in Ontario, perhaps in other places as well. And so this jumpsuit is from the Le Chateau line. It's been brought out during the prom time here, and I can imagine this on a young woman very easily for her prom. I can also easily imagine it on someone more my age for an evening dinner with my husband. Or for someone who isn't already married, I think this would be a beautiful outfit for perhaps a simple garden wedding. For the bride, not for the guest. Don't forget that. Jumpsuits are one of those wonderful things that we call an easy one and done, because it is all one piece. Like a dress, right? You put on a dress, one and done. There is, however, one problem when it comes to a jumpsuit. Yeah, ladies, you know exactly what I'm talking about. That dilemma when you happen to find yourself in a public bathroom. We won't go into the details of all the difficulties that could pose. So when I saw this jumpsuit and I wanted to recreate this look, I thought to myself, do I want to find a jumpsuit, or do I want to find pieces that would mimic this jumpsuit, that would look very much like it, but be a whole lot easier to navigate when I'm out and about? I chose option number 2. I decided that recreating this jumpsuit using separate pieces would, 1, probably be a lot easier to locate, and 2, would invest in my wardrobe in a much larger way. See, if you took this jumpsuit apart, you would then have a blouse, you would then have pants, and you would have a belt. 3 different pieces that you could use in totally different scenarios. So that is what I went searching for. The first thing that I found was this pair of wide leg pants. These are actually from Northern Reflections. They are what they call their villager cut. So they're just very simple, flat front, elastic on the back waist. They have a full fly, and they do, oh ladies, they do have pockets. Because we all know that pockets are very, very important. Now, I found these at a Northern Reflections in Huntsville, Ontario, that was actually going out of business. So I don't know if you can count these toward the price, like the final price or not, but just for fun, I will let you know that the original price on this pair of pants was $70, and I got them for $5, brand new. So, challenge or no challenge, this was a really great deal. What I did need to go thrifting for was the blouse as well as the belt. And I did find the belt, my version of the belt, here it is. I found this at a thrift store called Talese, and I've got the little tag. I have to admit I cut it off because, well, I was wearing it. So I got the little tag right here. This was actually brand new at the thrift store. These are the pieces that were on it. It's from a store called Ardene's. And I think the original price, if that's indeed what the other person got it for, was about $10. And the thrift tag for it was $4.99. It's very pretty, it's very simple, and I think this will work well into the jumpsuit look that I'm looking for, as well as many other places in my wardrobe. It's just an easy little piece to put on. And I like that it's elasticated, just in case. The blouse, well, I had to go looking for the blouse because I don't have very many sleeveless blouses. Blouses. Just sounds like a weird word. I'm sorry. I do not have many tops that have no sleeves. I also do not have many tops that are a very neutral color. I like things that are more flowery and striped and all sorts of things. You'll even notice that the jacket that I have on here is reversible. I got it most especially because I really like the floral print inside of it. So I had to go searching for a white blouse. Finding this specific style, that wasn't so easily done. But the one that I did find, I think, is beautiful. This is a gorgeous, very simple white sleeveless blouse. The cut is not boxy. You will notice that it has a bit of a curve to it. I like that. I like things that have a bit of a shape if given the choice and the opportunity. It has a really pretty pleat down the front. I really like that. And it is actually got this little gold tag on it that says Calvin Klein. Now, I know Calvin Klein used to be a huge big thing, and they have come out with some lines that are a little less expensive. But in my mind, Calvin Klein is still really good quality. So I was happy to find this blouse. And the price on this blouse was only $7.99. I guess I should show you what this looks like all together. So instead of just a jumpsuit, I am going to recreate this look as best as I can with pants and a belt and a blouse. Now, as I said, the neat part about getting separate pieces is that you are able to use them in other places in your wardrobe. It isn't confined now to simply one outfit, right? You can break them apart and use them in other things. So I wanted to show you different ways of using the blouse and the belt in other outfits. You could use it very easily for a laid back kind of a day, if you're just going to be going shopping or for tea with the ladies. I think it looks really nice with tan. I think this looks beautiful, and this could be a very Friday office look if you so desired. I also wanted to try it on with my favorite pair of bubblegum pink pants, and I thought this might be an incredible date night look. Just as a by the way, my throw is an infinity scarf. This challenge, as I said, is all about trying to find our inspirational look for a whole lot less. So did I do that or not? Well, this jumpsuit from Susie Shear cost $99 before taxes. Not a lot, but that's a little bit if you're on a bit of a thrifty budget like I am. My outfit, and I'm not going to include the pants because I got them before and not specifically for this challenge, my total was only $13. And that works better for my thrifty budget. So I mentioned near the start of this video that I have an important question to ask you. And that question is this: how well did I do? How well did I do emulating the jumpsuit look that I chose from Susie Shear? Did my outfit look anything like a jumpsuit? That's a very good question. I need you to rate me between 1 and 10. 1 is jumpsuit. I didn't even get a hop out of this one. Or all the way up to 10, I got a hop, skip, and a jump. Thank you so much for joining me for this month's Thrifted Look for Less challenge. Please be certain to go and check out Barbara Jean from Age is Just a Number by Barbara Jean, as well as Debbie from Debutawn, and let them know that Shannon from the Thrifty Fashionista said hi. If I happen to make you smile even once during this video, then please give it a thumbs up, because no matter the season and no matter your style, you're never fully dressed without a smile. I'll see you soon.